Hi guys, welcome to a Tech Solution Point. Today I'm going to start how to make HTML website. Let's start. Download the Visual Studio. I give on link description. After download, open Visual Studio. Go to File. Click on Folder. Make new folder. Go to Visual Studio. Click here. Type website.html. Go to Chrome. Open paste bin first link. I give on link description. Copy the code. Paste on Visual Studio. Click here. Type style.css. Go to Chrome. Open paste bin second link. I give on link description. Copy the code. Paste on style.css. So here is your title. Your Facebook link. Your Instagram link. Your Twitter link. Open website folder. Open File Explorer. Copy the image. Paste on website folder. Rename your image. Copy the image name and go to Visual Studio. Paste here. So your website is ready. You can change colors. Let's upload on free server. Go to Chrome. Search Infinity Hosting. Don't worry, I give on link description. Please sign in your account. You don't have Infinity account. So create a new account. After sign in, click on Create Account. Type your domain name. You can change any domain. These are free domain. I select on .rf.gd. Click on Search Domain. Type your account password. Click on I'm not a robot. Click on Create Account. Go back. Copy the FTP details on your notepad. Here is your FTP ID and passwords. Click Upload File. Remove index2.html. Rename the website.html file. Type index2.html. Your website will be ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please suggest me for next video. Bye bye.